Okay, welcome to number 5. Good book. In 1 year, Michael read 18 books. This is 4 fewer than twice the number of books Janice read. How many books did Janice read? All right, so we are going to circle our numbers. Now, the crazy thing about this word problem is some of the numbers are not typed in number form, but actually in written form. Like the word 4 is spelled out versus just the number 4 typed. And then we have twice, and that would be a number like the number 2. So we need to make sure that when we are circling our numbers, we're actually looking for numbers that are actually typed out in word form and not just with numbers. We then want to underline 4 fewer. Okay, then twice the number of books Janice read. So twice the number. So I am going to actually put twice the number. Okay, and our question is, how many books did Janice read? So when we go over here to our UPS check, we will need to understand, we're looking for the number of books. Let's do it that way. Number of books Janice read. Okay. That's what we're looking for. How are we going to find that out? What is our plan? We're going to write an equation to solve for this one. The numbers I have are 18 books. I have, 4 fewer than twice the number. 2 times the number. We don't know, or we'll put X as in twice the number, or X books. Let's do it like that. Okay, so this is what we have right here. We have 18 books. In 1 year, Michael read 18 books. That's going to be our total because this is 4 fewer than twice or 2 times some number of books that Janice read. So that's what we're looking at right there. All right, so now we need to actually write the equation. We have 18 equals, let's do 2 times -4 or -4. So this is how we're going to look at this. We have, again, let's read it one more time. In 1 year, Michael read 18 books. This being the 18 books is 4 fewer, fewer means minus, than twice the number of books Janice read. So 2 times the number of books Janice read. So now we need to solve. We need to look at our inverse operations. Right now we have a -4 or -4, so we need to add 4, to both sides to do our 0 pairs or to cancel out this 4 right here. So this is going to cancel out right there. Let's see if I can bring my cursor back. And now we have 18 plus 4. Let me give you a space here. That would be 22 equals 2x. Okay, there we go. Now we need to do our inverse operation of multiplication, which means we're going to divide by 2 on both sides. What we do to one side, we do to the other side. And that leaves me with 11 equals x. All right, and so then we're saying right here, how many books did Janice read? Janice read 11 books. That's what we want to say, but let's check it just to make sure we have it correct. So this 11 equals x. I'm going to make sure that I replace my x in my original equation right here. I'm going to replace the x with 11. So I'm going to rewrite it. 18 equals 2 times 11 minus 4. And now my order of operations is 18 equals 2 times 11 is 22 minus 4. And then I have 18 equals 22 minus 4 equals 18. And that is correct. So I know that x equals 11, which means I can actually say Janice read 11 books. And that is the answer to number 5. Again, remember, when you are answering a word problem, you answer it with a complete sentence.